Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. Samir Dey. You are watching my YouTube channel where I uploaded videos for engineering mathematics and for BSc and BBA. So, if you are preparing for any competitive examinations where higher mathematics is asked, my YouTube channel is very helpful for you. Today, I'll discuss most interesting part as well as most important part and as well as easy part from double integration. The topic is order change. So in this video you will learn how to change the variables in double integration. Okay, now try to understand. So we want to change it. Suppose, listen carefully. So suppose here your integration is given in terms of range wise, range double integration. Suppose fxy you have dx dy. Okay, so suppose your x is defined with respect to uv variable and y is variable for psi uv variable. So that means your xy comes to double variable u and v. So here you may write, so new region r dash where your f is comes to phi uv psi uv. Okay, and your dx dy replaced by j stands for Jacobian and du dv. So first we should know what about the connection you have x with uv and y with uv. From that relation you have to find Jacobian of x and y with respect to u and v, then dv. Okay, now try to understand with some numerical example, then only you can understand clearly. Otherwise it is not possible. Without example it is not possible. Okay, the formula clear? So this is one region based on x and y. The another region is you have, that is your r dash, which is related with the x related with the u and v, and y is the related with the u and v. New variable you have, new function you have. Now this is the process by which you can transform it. You can change the variable from xy to uv. Okay, now try to understand with some numerical example, then you can understand clearly. Suppose you have a question, evaluate, please note it down. Suppose you have r dx dy where r is the region, where r is the region bounded by, r is the region bounded by x plus y is equals to 0, x minus y is equals to 0, x plus y is equals to 2, and x minus y is equals to 2. Okay, using what is the method? Using change of variable. You have to solve by using change of variable. Okay, now I think it is clear. Question is clear. So here r is given in terms of range. So now try to understand the solution. So first you write down, let x plus y is equals to u and x minus y is equals to v. Clear? Is it clear? Now you tell, just you check, if I simplify these two, that is if I add these two, it will come, if I can write this is number 1 and this is number 2, if I can write like 1 plus 2, so I will get 2x is equals to u plus v, and then you may write x is equals to u plus v by 2. Okay, and if I write 1 minus 2, then we will get 2y is equals to u minus v. This imply y is equals to u minus v by 2. Now it is, I think it is clear. X is connected with u and v, y is connected with u and v. Okay. Then when you consider xy is equals to u and xy equals to x minus y equals to v, then from here it is clear that u equals to 0 from this relation. So therefore you have u equals to 0, v equals to 0, u equals to 2, and v is equals to 2. Now I think it is clear. So now you know your range of u is coming from 0 to 2, 0 to 2, and v's range is 0 to 2. Okay. Now try to understand next line. That means if I can go back to this, so easily we can substitute in terms of uv, and we need to find Jacobian of it and du dx, du dv. Okay, clear? Okay, next line you write. Now you want to find the Jacobian. Otherwise we may write the, what is your given problem, that is your r dx dy. So directly you may write new r dash, this r based on your xy, and this new r dash, there is the region bounded by the variable u and v, and about the curve. So now it should be j du dv. Okay, so we need to find j. So please write down where j is equals to del x del u del x del v del y del u del y del v. So ultimately it is coming del x equals to how much you have, 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Please check, because already you know from the previous slide, x equals to u plus v by 2, y is equals to u plus v by 2, isn't it? So del x del u is equals to 1 by 2, del x del v 1 by 2, del y del u is equals to 1 by 2, del y del v is equals to minus, it will be minus, it will be minus, it will be minus. Okay, so already you know. Clear? So ultimately it is coming, how much is coming? Minus minus, that is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2. Please check. Okay, so now from here we may write new r dash, its modulus, that is it's coming mod of minus of half du dv. Now I think it is clear. So now from here you may write u is equals to 0 to 2, v is equals to 0 to 2. Now it comes to 1 by 2 du dv. Okay. Now here you may write 1 by 2 is outside, u is equals to 0 to 2. Your v is coming v 0 to 2, Okay, du. So ultimately it is coming 2 by 2, again 0 to 2 into du. That is, you come, it comes to 1. Is clear? Upper limit minus lower limit, 2 minus 0, it is comes to 2. 2 adjusted here, like 2 by 2. Then again it is coming 1. That is, your integration is 0 to 2. Ultimately 2 is the answer. So this is the formula by which we can transform it. Is it okay? Is it okay? Good. Good. Now, another question I can discuss. So please write down. Another question I can discuss. Shall I move to the next slide? So please write. Now, another question you have, please write down. Evaluate, evaluate r x square plus y square into dx dy, where where r is the region, where r is the region of the circle x square plus y square less or equals to 1, using change of variable. Okay, now you can see last question where you have this portion is single one, but here I have considered some expression so that you can understand clearly. Okay, now try to understand. Okay, listen carefully. So now we have a circle. Okay, this is the origin. Okay, so please write down. Already you know the parametric form of a circle is x equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. Okay, so please write down, let x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. Clear? Clear? Where r is the radius, where r is the radius varies from 0 to 1, and theta is the angle starting from here like this, and this is the r, and these are theta. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Why 2 pi? Because it makes a circle full. It is 90, it is 180, and then 180. Okay, so if I want to rewrite this, that is r x square plus y square dx dy by using double integration, change of variable part. So your new range will be there, and then this x square y square should be replaced by r cos theta whole square, r sin theta whole square. Okay, and j dr d theta. Clear? So here x associated with the r theta, y associated with the r theta. So we need to find j, then you can substitute here. Okay, so this is our main need. Okay, so how to calculate j? J is equals to del x del r del x del theta del y del r del y del theta. Okay, so what is x? R cos theta. What is y? R sin theta. So from here we may write del x del r, that is your cos theta. Here you may write minus r sin theta, and from here it is a sin theta, and here it is coming r cos theta. I think it is clear to all of you. If you simplify, it is coming r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. So ultimately it is coming cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to r. So here j is equals to r. Clear? Now it is clear. Now if I can transform, if I can rewrite once again, now please try to understand this. So now please write down now. So you have this, so it is coming, it is your r starting from 0 to 1, theta is coming from 0 to 2 pi, and this is coming from r square cos square theta sin square theta. J is coming another r, it is a mod value, it is a mod value, mod of r dr d theta. Now I think it is clear. So now here your information is given in terms of range, so we need to perform theta at first. Okay, so please write down r is equals to 0 to 1, and rq is outside, and 0 to 2 pi. Okay, d theta r. Okay, so r is equals to 0 to 1 r cube, and here it is coming theta 0 to 2 pi d theta. No, sorry, it will be dr. Okay, so ultimately it is coming 2 pi, and then 0 to 1 r cube dr, correct? So we may write 2 pi, hmm. So r to the power 4 by 4, 0 to 1, so ultimately it is coming 2 to cancel, at 1 to the power 4 means 1, ultimately 1 is coming, that is pi by 2 is the answer. Please check, please check. Okay, so please go through the video again and again so that I can understand clearly. Again, I am requesting you, please do subscribe my channel. If you subscribe, if you get some benefit, so that is my our satisfaction or motivation, whether you can say. Okay, thank you everyone.